Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's make a yummy Mumbai street food which is called the Ragda Patties. So for the Ragda, I have soaked 1 cup of white peas overnight, and now let's simply pressure cook this by adding some salt and turmeric to this. Half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm also adding a liter of water to this. We'll pressure cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the Ragda is nice and mushy. So for the patties, I have about 6 medium-sized potatoes which we will mash. To the mashed potatoes, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed powder, juice of half a lemon, some finely chopped coriander, and say about 2 finely chopped green chillies, and some salt. I'm going to mix this really well and make into small patties. After 3 whistles, I'm going to put the flame on a simmer and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Let's start shaping the patties. Now let's fry these patties in ghee till they are nice and crisp. The ghee is nice and hot. Let's fry these now. We've cooked the white peas for 20 minutes on a sim and it's done. So now let's keep the pressure cooker aside. And let's get on to making the sweet chutney. I have half cup of seedless dates, half cup of jaggery, a little less than half a cup of tamarind, half a liter of water, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder which is also known as saunt, and some salt to taste. And I'm going to boil this till the tamarind and the dates are nice and soft. Let's check the patties. So while the sweet chutney is boiling and the patties are getting fried, let's make the green chutney. So for that, I've taken a cup full of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, juice of half a lemon, 2 green chillies, and I'm going to add 1 big clove of garlic and some salt. And I'm going to grind this to a nice fine chutney. Going to add very little filtered water to this. And our dhania pudine ki chutney is ready. Our patties is also ready. Let's get them out in a plate. Let's keep this aside. Let's remove this chutney in a bowl, the green chutney. Our sweet chutney has been boiling for the last 10 minutes and I can see that the tamarind and the dates are nicely cooked and soft. Let's shut the flame, cool this and grind this to a nice fine chutney. The chutney is ready. Now let's pass this through a sieve. We've strained our sweet chutney. I'm just going to add very little water, maybe 1/4 cup, to make it a nice pouring consistency. So our chutneys are ready, our patties is ready. We have finished boiling the ragda. And let's smash the ragda. So in a serving bowl, let's add the ragda first. Then I'm going to add 2 of the patties, some sweet chutney, the green chutney. I have some cold beaten curd over here, which I'm just going to drizzle a little. I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala, some finely chopped beetroot and a little bit of onions, and a little bit of freshly chopped coriander. And the Ragda Pattice is ready to be served. Do try this Mumbai street food during these monsoons and let me know.